my beautiful sister.
Yes,
I should give you.
But I told you, when you give me a hand in marriage, I will take care of you. I will take that land I told you, I will give you that land.
At Amokwe.
Yes, now that land I told you, I will give you that land. If it is money, you know I have some. So what you will do now is, those acres of land I have there, I will give you to cultivate it free of charge. So long as that your sister, that your beautiful sister, stays with me.
It's a promise.
I keep to my
Maso.
promise. Anya na ha
It's a promise.
Anya na ha udene.
Makana akosi ademanike.
Come na gwa.
That's what I'm telling you.
Anya na ha udene when it comes to
Akosi
promise in me.
ademanike.
Yes.
It's an agreement.
Yes, agreement.
Agreement.
Just call her. I hope na amazing very.
Choma!
Hey, I can't wait to, you know.
This is my beautiful sister.
That is the reason I know.
You love her.
I love.
So sweet. Choma!
Yeah, a good
Choma!
friend.
Come on, come on.
Choma, come.
Come on. That's why I shouted my name like this. I was about going now.
Come on. Oh.
I was about going. That's why I shouted my name like this.
Come on, come on, my beautiful sister.
I wanted to go out.
Oh.
This why you're acting like this.
Something good is coming our way.
Eh?
Something beautiful is coming to our way.
Like seriously.
Today.
Hey, I was about going out too.
You know, this my friend now, Mazoda. You know him now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have once told me about it.
It's me.
It's my very good friend. So
It's me.
I want to give you his hand in marriage, as in he will
To marry me.
Yes.
Why are you taking the time now? I
Which kind of be that one now?
No, no.
Hey, don't touch me. What?
Apostle, we hear of this.
That's what they do
This
something.
is very hard.
I don't want that.
This is very hard.
If it's
So
a joke, if it's a joke, you better stop it. I don't want it. What's the meaning of that?
I know what is good for you now.
What is it?
You will forget about this. I cannot drop 5 million.
Mr. Man, I'm getting kind of. I'm not going to come, respect yourself. Fool. I'm talking to him. I don't have your time yet. See, brother, I don't like this kind of embarrassment. What's the meaning of this now?
I will not do your
Look
back.
at me that was just dressing up for my love. You can see him. And you're saying rubbish. I don't want you to. Because I'm not going to now.
But see, the
Jesus!
No, don't say I have money. I can take care of you. I can take care of you.
Brother,
No, come now.
is it him? No. Is it this kind of thing that you do?
I can take care of you. Forget about this. I can watch it. I cannot drop you. Just come. I will take care of you.